If masking tape lifts dried paint off the baseboard when painting above carpet, stop and choose a careful repair strategy to avoid larger damage. Start by removing any loose paint and tape slowly while supporting the baseboard surface with your finger to reduce peeling. Use a razor blade or utility knife held flat against the baseboard to score the paint film along the tape line before pulling tape at a low angle away from the painted surface. If the paint has already lifted, sand the damaged area lightly with a fine grit sanding sponge until feathered smooth to the surrounding finish. Then clean with a damp cloth and allow to dry fully. For small chips, apply a high-quality acrylic latex caulk to any gaps, let it cure, then prime the bare wood or exposed substrate with a stain-blocking primer to ensure adhesion. Repaint with thin, even coats and allow full dry time between coats to prevent future lifting when tape is applied or removed. To prevent recurrence, switch to a low-adhesion painter tape specifically labeled for delicate surfaces and press it down only with a soft cloth to avoid overbonding. Common mistakes include leaving tape on too long, which increases bond strength and causes lift, so remove tape within 1 hour to 24 hours after painting depending on the paint type and room temperature. People often pull tape back at a 90-degree angle, which stresses the paint edge. Instead, pull slowly at a low angle parallel to the surface while supporting the adjacent paint. Another issue is using heavy body paint without priming raw or previously repaired spots, which the new film cannot adhere to well. Fix this by priming any exposed substrate and allowing proper cure time before applying finish coats. We run BigHomeProjects.com as a place where homeowners can find local contractors, and contractors can find work related to projects like baseboard repairs and painting. We also host a discussion community so our members can share tips, ask questions, and learn from real experience.